Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did these nails, so let's just get right into it. Here I'm just prepping the nails by pushing the cuticles back and snipping some of that dead skin off, and then I go in with my cuticle bit and I just lightly drill off some of that dead skin that's still on the nail plate and carefully filing the surface of the nail. And then I'm just going to wipe all that off and prep with some dehydrator and then primer. And then I'm going to go in with the Beetles nail glue gel for the full cover tips, and today I'm using the Beetles full cover tips. And you want to make sure the inside of your nail tip is etched really well so that the glue can stick on better, and you want to have enough glue so that you don't have air bubbles but not too much that it pushes out the sides. And you're going to want to press the nail tip down from the cuticle all the way down the nail and then hold that nail in the lamp for a couple seconds so it can attach, and then leave the nail in the lamp for I believe 30 seconds so it can fully cure. And she wanted almond shaped nails, so here I'm just cutting them down, shaping them, and buffing the surface of the nails so the gel can adhere better. And if any of you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to use full cover tips, just leave a comment down below. So now that I have all the nails shaped and buffed, I'm going to go in with the Beetles base gel polish, and I'm going to do a coat on that on each nail and cure them for 30 seconds. And for that brown color, I'm going to go in with the Beetles gel polish in shade 809. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of that on each nail and curing for 30 seconds in between each coat. Now for that nude color, I'm going to be going in with the Macart gel polish in shade 9805 from their Mermaid Flare collection. And if you use code KCakes at checkout, you can get 15% off your order. It's the same nude you're seeing on the nail set that I have on right now in the video, so if you're interested on how I did that set, I'll leave a link down below. I just can't get over how pretty this nude is in person. There's like little shimmers that you can see, and it's just so pretty. Now I'm going to be going in with my nail art detailing brush with that brown color, and I'm going to be marking the line up the nail. And once I'm satisfied with that line that I've drawn, I'm just going to go in with the brush that came with the gel polish, and I'm just going to fill that in. Here I'm just going in with a different nail brush dipped in alcohol, and I'm just cleaning up the edges a little bit. And once you've perfected that, you can go ahead and cure it in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And it's just the same process for all of the accent nails. I just draw the line, fill it in, and then just clean up the edges a little bit and cure them. And if you guys had any questions or suggestions on videos about different methods or techniques, just leave those down in the comments and I'll make sure to check those. We're going to be going in with some gold flakes. These gold flakes I think I got from a Beetles polygel kit off of Amazon. I'll make sure to link it down below. So I actually had someone from the nail community ask me how to do gold flakes, so I'm just going to explain it a little bit. What I do is I grab tweezers. These tweezers I got from one of the mini kits I get off of Amazon. They come in almost all the nail kits. And you're going to want to grab the nail foil. You can tear it up inside the little packaging and if the pieces are too big. And you want to stick it on the nail. Sometimes the gel polish is still tacky, but if it's not, you can do a layer of base gel polish, because base gel polish I'm pretty sure is always tacky after you cure it, and it should stick on the nail very well. And once you have it placed where you want, you can tap it with your finger and it should stick on the nail. And if there's anywhere where you don't want the gold flakes to be, you can grab those tweezers and you can actually scratch off some of the gold flakes off and it'll come right off. And you want to make sure you only put the base gel polish where you want the gold flakes to stick.
She has to leave town.
The hell she does.
Sorry?
Why does she need to leave town?
Because it's what's best.
I'm just going to repeat the same process for all the accent nails, and if any of you guys have any more questions on how to use gold flakes or silver flakes or any type of nail flake in general, just leave those questions down below and I'll make sure to get to them. You can also go in with a cleanup brush dipped in some rubbing alcohol to clean up some of those gold flakes. And here you can see she was so excited how her nails were turning out. She was just showing everyone in the room, like my sister and stuff. And after you put top coat on and cure all of them for a good 60 seconds, I'm going in with the Beauty Secrets cuticle oil I got from Sally Beauty, and I'm just going to be putting that on all of her cuticles. And also the top coat I used is the Beetles Gel Polish top coat. These are the finished nails. I'm absolutely in love with how they came out. I think they look so elegant and so pretty. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.